Are you frustrated with your IT and computer network running slow, not working, or making you waste your valuable time? Don't you just want it to work the way it's supposed to? Trying to find and understand IT services can end up being confusing, time-consuming, sometimes difficult to understand. Well, now there is an easier way. MVP Network Consulting. Technology that works. MVP takes a proactive approach to IT and technology by stopping problems on your network before they start. Our services include cloud computing, managed services, telephony solutions, backup and disaster recovery, web development, SEO, HIPAA-compliant services, and cybersecurity solutions. At MVP, we take IT to the next level with our 11-step project plan. This plan takes our clients from an initial assessment to planning, implementation, and then ongoing maintenance, leaving you feeling safe and secure and able to run your business while we run your network. MVP has a tool that will help a dedicated VCIO or Virtual Chief Information Officer create a rock-solid IT strategy that looks beyond the scope of an infrastructure and executes a quality strategy on a daily basis. MVP understands that you require technology leadership, not just support. We want to understand your business and your goals so that we may align your technology and your use of it with your business goals. Implementing this tool will help organize this process and give you the reports and plans you need to use technology to give you a competitive edge. Call MVP today at 716-630-1701 or visit us online at www.mvpworks.com. MVP Network Consulting. Technology that works.